What if you could build something once and have it keep making money for you every single day, even while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI businesses that do exactly that. And honestly, why most people end up overcomplicating them. Hey, I'm Aria, and honestly, not that long ago, I was stuck trying to make money online the hard way, jumping between different side hustles, trying new things, and basically starting over again and again. I'd put in time every day, but nothing really stuck. And it started to feel like if I wasn't actively working, I just wasn't making anything. Then I came across a different way to use AI, not just for quick wins, but to actually build something that could keep working in the background. And once I understood how that worked, things really started to click. Because now it's not about doing more. It's about setting things up the right way from the start. And that's exactly what I want to show you here. Because once you see how these AI businesses are actually structured, you'll realize they're not complicated. They're just built a little differently. So instead of throwing a bunch of random ideas at you, I'm going to break this down step by step. Before we get into the actual businesses, I want to quickly walk you through the 7 criteria I use to evaluate them, because this is honestly where most people get it wrong. They jump into ideas without really thinking about things like how long it takes to make money, how automated it actually is, and whether it even scales. So for each one, I looked at setup cost, time to first dollar, automation level, ongoing effort, beginner friendliness, scalability, and realistic income potential. Because a lot of things sound good on paper, but they don't always work that way in real life. Alright, so the first one, and probably the simplest, is AI content combined with affiliate offers. Now this works because you're creating content around things people are already interested in. And instead of building your own product, you're just connecting that attention to something that already converts. Now you might be wondering, do I need to go viral for this to work? Not really, because the goal isn't virality, it's consistency. Setup cost? Very low. Time to first dollar? Usually pretty fast. Automation? High once it's running. Ceiling? It scales with content. And once you understand how this ties into traffic, that's when it really starts to make sense. The second one is faceless YouTube channels using AI. Now this isn't about posting random videos, it's really about building a system. AI scripts to AI voice to consistent content. And here's what makes this powerful. YouTube videos don't just disappear, they keep working for you over time. Setup cost? Low to medium. Time to first dollar? A bit slower. Automation? Medium to high. Ceiling? Very high. Most people quit this way too early. But honestly, this is one of the strongest long-term plays. The third one is AI-powered niche blogs. Now I know what you might be thinking. Do blogs still work? They do, but just in a different way. Instead of writing everything manually, AI helps you scale content a lot faster. Monetization usually comes from affiliate links, ads, or simple products. Setup cost? Low. Time to first dollar? Slower. Automation? High. Ceiling? More of a long-term play. This one isn't the most exciting upfront, but it's very consistent over time. The fourth one is digital products created with AI. This could be things like guides, templates, or simple courses. Now here's where most people go wrong. They try to make something too complex. But the ones that actually work are usually simple and focused. Setup cost? Low. Time to first dollar? Medium. Automation? Very high. Ceiling? High. And once it's created, it can keep selling over and over again. The fifth one is AI automation services. This is where you help businesses automate certain tasks using AI. Now you might be thinking, isn't that complicated? It can be, but it doesn't have to be. Setup cost? Low. Time to first dollar? Usually pretty fast. Automation, medium, ceiling, high. This one isn't fully passive, but parts of it can definitely be systemized over time. The sixth one is AI-driven newsletters. You basically build an audience around a specific topic and send consistent emails. Now you might be wondering, why would people even read emails? But if the content is actually valuable, they will. Monetization comes from affiliate links, sponsorships, or products. Setup cost? Low. Time to first dollar? Medium. Automation? High. Ceiling? Depends on the audience. It's simple, but really powerful when it's done right. The seventh one is simple AI tools, or micro SaaS. Now this might sound a bit technical, but there are tools now that make this a lot more accessible. You're basically creating a small tool that solves a specific problem. Setup cost? Medium. Time to first dollar? Slower. Automation? Very high. Ceiling? Very high. But this one does require a bit more patience up front. So out of all of these, if I had to start from scratch today, I'd honestly go with the first one, AI content plus affiliate systems, because it's the simplest, the fastest to validate, and the easiest to scale. You're not building something complicated. You're just connecting what already works. So now you've seen 7 AI business models that can make money while you sleep. And really, the key isn't doing more. It's choosing the right model and setting it up the right way. And if this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. But here's the part most people still struggle with, even after seeing all of these. They don't know which one to pick, or how to actually turn it into real income. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had to go from $0 to $10,000 with AI in the next 30 days. Step by step. Not just ideas, an actual plan. So if you're serious about making this work, click on this video right here.